In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow in Photopea. We're creating that soft, luminous halo that makes text, icons, or subjects pop off the background. Perfect for posters, thumbnails, or any design that needs a little extra sparkle. Photopea is a free, browser-based editor, so you can follow along without installing anything. Start by opening Photopea in your web browser. On the welcome screen, look for the large Open from Computer button and click it. This lets you browse your files and pick the image you want to edit. Choose a clear, well-lit photo for the best results. Images with contrast around the subject tend to glow more cleanly. Once your image is open, look to the right side of the interface for the Layers panel. Click on the layer named Background. If your image doesn't say background or you're working with multiple layers, simply select the layer you want to add the glow to. The glow effect will follow the edges of that layer's content. Now right-click on the background layer and choose Blending Options. This opens the Layer Style panel, where all your effects live in one place. On the left, find Outer Glow and click it. Make sure to check the box next to Outer Glow to activate it, and then click the name itself to reveal the settings on the right. Here's where the magic happens. Start with the color swatch to choose your glow color. Warm tones like yellow or orange feel cozy and radiant, while cool tones like blue or teal give a neon vibe. Blend mode controls how the glow mixes with the image. Screen or linear dodge tends to produce bright, airy glows, while normal is more straightforward. Opacity sets the strength. Higher values mean a bolder, more visible glow. Next, adjust spread and size. Spread controls how solid the glow's edge is. Increasing it makes the halo denser. Size expands how far the glow reaches from the shape. A small size creates a tight rim light, while a larger size gives a soft, dreamy ambiance. If available, tweak range to refine where the glow fades and use noise sparingly if you want a gritty, textured light. Move your image around and zoom in to judge the edges, and aim for a balance where the glow enhances without overpowering the subject. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply the effect. The outer glow remains editable, so you can revisit blending options any time to refine the look. That's all it takes to add a clean, professional glow in Photopea. Try different colors and sizes to match your design style, and enjoy the added depth and focus it brings to your images.